Join me for Checking on Our Chickens Every Single Day, part 38, narrated by our little cowgirl.
Look at our lovely marigolds. This one's starting to open up. Bob and Hennifer's water are doing good, and so are their food. So let's open this, check to see if we have any eggs. No eggs today. Our crazy pumpkin ready for Halloween. No eggs in here or over here. Their food and water are also doing very good. But our girls are doing very good. Please like, follow, and share our small farm. And remember, if you're gonna complain, contribute.